Flounder? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Where do you think you're going? Huh?
I'm sick of this. Go clean your whiskers out of the sink.
Are you trying to roll over? Are you trying to roll over? Hey. Hey, sweet girl. Hi, Soph. Hi, what are you doing? Where are you going, huh?
What kind of cards?
You coming over here? Are you?
Oh, how do you do?
Yawning? Yawning, you lazy girl. What are you doing? Can you say hi? Yeah? Are you rolling over? Are you rolling over? Almost. Almost. Don't worry, all grandmas. I have a hand on Sophie. She's not going anywhere. Are you rolling over? Are you rolling over, little